So the one on the right has LEDs, the one on the left doesn't.
The one on the left, the brake lights actually look brighter with just an incandescent than an LED in it. I'm gonna order some red LEDs, put those in there, see what that looks like. For right now,
What I did was rewired, got in here, reused just the whole thing. I wasn't planning on doing that. I was planning on doing something completely different. But then as I was looking, I was like, this could be a lot easier if I just rewired the original off the maroon car into the headlights or the taillights that I got at junk. All the wires matched up, all the connections matched up. I know I need that in case you're looking at it. I know. Yeah, basically, all I did was wire in the reverse lights into the original harness, which weren't on here because this car, the reverse lights were in the center garnish up there. So back up a little here. So yeah, all I had to do was run that one there, split it off, ran it across, didn't even bother running the ground. There was like 3 ground wires going through here. It's wrapped around the hammer, but yep, there's the reverse lights. It's tacked in like that. And then this guy is the trunk indicator. So what I'm gonna do is wrap these 3 wires and run them respectively. This guy I'm gonna run up and up through the trunk, and the other one I'm gonna run up around and then just kind of match it up with this over here. That's looking at that, I'm gonna have to get an LED for that. But yeah, all right. So the back trunk rewired and everything. Just gonna order some lights for it.
That reverse light is definitely a heck of a lot brighter than that one. And the blinker, I like it. It's got an amber LED in it. I stole it from the front. See what it looked like. But yeah, full LED versus full incandescent. I think that red pops a little bit more with the incandescent, but we'll see when I get a red LED in there. So, all right. That's that. Just a quick little video on how I did the trunk, how I wired up the lights in the back. Super easy. Quick little trick here. You'll see that there's a pretty big gap when you do these, and obviously I'm going to fill these in, but I'm going to paint it before I fill that in with black RV silicone, probably a little foam or whatever. But it's starting to rain. I was worried about it, so what I did was I ran inside and grabbed the weather stripping off of the maroon car, just this top part. Just grab the top part, slides right in there perfectly fine. It'll do for now. I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and it's starting to rain, so see how far I can get.